Well, hello and welcome back to my shop. My name is George and I'm coming to you from Chelsea, Quebec. The other day I had an impulse buy in my favorite hardware store. It's the best one in Ottawa. I'm not going to mention it by name, but it's on Preston Street. And the impulse was to buy yet another tape measure, a real sweetheart, a 9-footer. Let me come around and tell you a little bit more about it. So here it is. I'm showing it to you up against a regular tape measure, a 16-footer. And if your business involves framing, then you want the longer length. So 16, probably a 25-footer. But for the kind of work I do, which is, let's just call it cabinet making, furniture making, I don't need the length. Most of my measurements, let's just say that they're all under 2 feet, occasionally a little bit more than that. From rare time to rare time, I'll want to go out to 8 feet just to vouch that some length is a proper 96 inches instead of 84 or 93. So this 9-foot limit is ideal. The blade is 1/2 inch across and it's graduated in 1/16 of an inch throughout its length. It also has the framing marks at 16 inch on center and also the 19-inch marks as well. And that first foot is graduated in 30/2 of an inch. What else does it have? Well, it has a clip, so if you want to carry it on your person, it attaches quite easily to a pocket edge, a belt loop. It also has a loop through here, so if you wanted to, I suppose you could put a lanyard through it and hang it around your neck. Oh yeah, and the magnet. So it's fairly lightweight, doesn't need much of a magnet, but you can attach it to a stationary power tool in your shop and just leave it there forever. It's just perfect for my purposes. It was $9 Canadian, so $1 a foot. How can you go wrong? Anyhow, listen, buy from me for now, and remember, make some time for your passion, and if you can share it, even better.